Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my 2024 Christmas home tour. I'll be doing the tour in two parts. I'll start here in my lower level and then I'll finish with the rest of the home on the first and second floor. Now I know it looks like I'm using all red down here, but not to worry, there are several spaces down here, and in one of the areas I will be using neutral colors. So if you like neutral, there will be some neutral inspiration as well.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year.
All right, guys, so let's decorate this area.
Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start the tour from the entry, and I'll walk you through each and every area that I decorated. All right, guys, so we are here at the entrance of my lower level, and over here I have a sitting area. This area serves as a pass-through pretty much to the other areas of the basement, but I took the opportunity to decorate it a little bit because it is a big space, but upon purchasing the home, I really had no idea what to do with it. So I just put a few decor pieces down here and made it into somewhat of a cozy entrance slash sitting area. This bench here has always been pretty much a display area. We don't sit on it. It's not very comfortable. So I just take the opportunity to use some of my decor items to decorate and style the bench per season. And I usually store all of my ornamental balls here. And sometimes it's pushed under the bench, but for the season, I just left it out with a little bit of greenery inside. And the door that you see here, I think I've shared this before. I'm pretty sure that I have. This is my Christmas closet, and this is why it makes it so easy for me to decorate the basement, because some of my Christmas decor is behind this wall. It extends from the door all the way to the end of this wall here. I do have a powder room down here. Well, it's actually, I guess you would call it a 3-piece. Take your everyday towels and just put a ribbon or a bow on it, and it automatically gives it a Christmas touch. You can also add berries to the towel if you wish. Now, this is just a styling moment, but if you have guests coming over, I would put out paper towel or guest towels. And remember, to get that festive touch, put a bow on it. So let's head into the other areas. This area is a work in progress. Okay, so this is the area that I refer to as my kitchenette. This used to be an area where they had a bar, where they had the bar top going across. Well, we really didn't use the bar, so it was a waste of space for me, and so I had the idea to make it into a little kitchen nook, and so that's what you see here. It's also a work in progress. Now in the first room you saw touches of red, but as we go further into the tour you will see a lot more red. So guys, I hope you enjoyed part 1 of my Christmas home tour, and I hope you will come back and join me for part 2. And if you guys are wondering who my little friend is, this is the Fancy Christmas Monkey. And we call him Fancy because he used to have a gold damask vest, and I just took it off because it was a little fancy, and we're pretty casual here. Kick off your shoes and relax. And he has been with us for at least 20 years. And so if you guys didn't know, I used to do in-home Christmas tours. When my boys were in high school, they both were in choir, and they would go on choir competition trips, and I would do fundraisers in my home to raise money. And so that's why I have so much Christmas decor. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you at my next video for part 2.